Today we're going to be styling and installing this wig from start to finish together. This is a new sensational synthetic hair wig, so let's jump right into it. Info to this wig will be in the description of this video, as well as some of the products that I used to install this wig. Alright you guys, so here's what the wig is looking like. It's a long curly wig. It's got like some body waves in it, and this wig has bangs already installed into the wig. So this is a part of their 90s bang wig line, and it comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and a wig strap. This wig is a left side part, and here is a look at what the lace is looking like so far. Okay you guys, this is the wig straight out of the package. I haven't done any manipulation to it, so let's see what we're even working with. So it's got like layers I can see, which I like because I'm definitely going to cut this wig. I thought the bangs were going to be like too much at first, and I was a little bit concerned about that, but they're really subtle. Like here's the bangs. They're actually like pretty subtle. I like that they're not too thick, and they're really kind of just like to one side. They're not really like on both sides. Like on this side you have baby hairs, but it's not really like as much as the bang. And it is a left side part, so I did switch my braid pattern so it could be a left side. There is like a silky texture, but it's not too silky. I feel like it's going to be manageable, so that I like, but the true test will be wearing it out, you guys. It's got a little bit of tangles, but nothing too crazy. It's not tangling like really bad on me so far, so that's definitely good. Okay you guys, so starting off, we're going to start plucking. I started on the side of the hairline that is not attached to the bang, and I basically just plucked some of the hairline, and I'm going to cut the baby hairs and pluck those as well. I also did an angle cut for the bangs. The bangs were pretty good, but they were just a little bit long. Okay y'all, how short should we cut this? Like, I usually try to just cut less than what I imagine I'm going to cut, and then cut from there, because once you cut it, that's it. So let me go ahead, and I'm just going to do, I don't want to cut this though. I'm just going to do from here and work my way up. All right, now that the wig is cut, y'all, it's a really cute bob. I really like it. So now we're gonna go ahead and tint the lace and try to style the wig. So what I did next is went ahead and glued the wig down, especially in that area where those baby hairs are. I like the baby hairs a lot better after I plucked them. I definitely like the way that that looked. So I'm super happy that I went ahead and did that. After I cut the wig, I went ahead and added a melt band after I glued it. I added some hair wax to the hair and brushed it through with this mini unbrush. Once I took it down, here's what it looked like. I added some more powder, and here's a look at the final result. Okay you guys, so I finished everything I needed to do to the wig, and here are the final results. I think they look so good, y'all. I really like the curl pattern of this wig, like the fact that it's like these loose body waves and the way they kind of frame the face and go back from the face. I also really like that the bangs are not overwhelming. Like, they're not a thick wiggy looking bangs. They look really natural in my opinion, and I did go in and trim them. Y'all saw that because they were a little bit long, but I'd rather them be too long than too short, because if they're too short, I mean, you can't really do much with that, but they're too long, you can trim them. Just be careful because you don't want to trim them too short. But they came out looking beautiful, and I think the wig just looks really good. And I also went in and plucked these baby hairs right here, and I went in and plucked the hairline a little bit on this side. It looks really good, and it blends really well up in here, y'all. Like, it blends really well. I did glue this area down, and a little bit on this side, a little bit on this side where the ear tabs were, but I think it's beautiful. I think it looks so good. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much, more than you even know. Thank y'all so much. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this style. Did I do a good job? Let me know in the comments, y'all. And I am so looking forward to reading y'all's comments and replying back. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.